it says, sorry officer, I'm allowed to do whatever I want. Alright, so I'm gonna start my day. It's about 5 o'clock. I just finished last night's video, so sorry about that, guys. I didn't feel like getting up and just slept through the night. But I got you. So tonight's video, so I'm gonna go get ready, take a shower, and try to do a few things, so let's get to it. There's my dream car. There's my dream car. Slow down, slow it down. Oh, baby. That's her right there. Oh, man. That's my dream car, guys. Woo! That was exciting. I didn't expect that. Okay, so we're going to Costco. Going to go fill up the car with some gas. We're almost at a quarter tank now. Yesterday it was 5/8, so you do the math on that one. Oh, there's another one, but no spoiler on my dream car. Okay, so I'm going to get some gas, and then I have a surprise for you. I'm going to announce my new sponsorship. It's going to be awesome. Alright, so with that being said, I'm going to get to it, and I'll catch you guys in a second. Not even like 5 seconds later after I turn off the camera, this chick almost freaking head-ons me, turning the corner up short. Like, come on, girl. Can't you see the sexiness here? I don't know why everyone has to cut corners in life, like, mainly while driving, but, I mean, especially while driving, everyone wants to cut corners. It's just like, take the whole corner. What's it going to do? It's going to avoid you an accident at the worst, and it's going to take you an extra 0.25 seconds out of your life that you're going to get home that much quicker. It's like, I don't see the point. Anyways, alright, back to it. Alright, so another beautiful day in Mexico. That downshift was weak. Alright, so we're going to do our complete stop here. And then we're going to let it rip. Alright, so we have optimized our gassing speed here, so I'm just going to pull right in here. I'm not going to wait for the once in my life. Alright, so we got the gas. I got 8 minutes left to go inside and get my money, and I'll explain that to you here in a second. I'm literally trying to drive here, and people are just literally walking out in front of me like, no freaking big deal. Like, okay, this lady wanted to die, but it's all good. You know, it's a pretty sad day in America when people don't know how to walk or watch their surroundings so they don't die. So, anyways. Alright, so basically, because of spending on my credit card last year, I got about $90 in credit card rewards. So, obviously, I'm trying to push you guys to get a credit card and get that free money. It's free money, basically. Obviously, you're gonna need the money to pay it off, so basically just do that, and you'll be good to go, earning free money. And we got about 90 bucks last year, so that's about that. So it's time, another sunny day. You know what that means? Time to take the top off. I'm gonna hide some stuff so it doesn't blow out, and then we are going for it. That's better. Now, you know the rules. Start the car. Roll the windows down. Hide anything that can blow out. And lastly, do it for Dale. Alright, so she's all filled up, brand new. We're ready to go. I'm gonna hook this camera up and let her rip tater chip. Let's do it. I didn't know there was a stop sign in Mexico. We're just casually getting out of Dodge. I'm not breaking necks or anything. Yeah, just taking the long way home, you know, enjoying about 70, which is amazing. 68. So I don't even have the foot warmer on today. But just let it rip. I'm still in manual, I guess. Oops. So good. This thing will put a smile on your face. Let me tell you what. I don't even know where I'm at. I don't care. I should have asked my coworker if he wanted to go for a ride, since he lives right in the nick of Mexico. We got a Prius behind us, so I'm gonna have to speed it up here a little bit because they're gonna catch up to me real soon. Oh, I love this. Oh, I'm sorry, Rusty. I love you, buddy, but you gotta wait for the sunshine. Oh, I think I learned the secret to the crackling. What you're gonna want to do is keep it low, rev it high, and then let out. Every day, let me tell you. I hate people that speed, man. They're always like trying to get on my butt. It's like, if you're not gonna obey the speed limit, just stay home, you know? I hate those people. Oh my gosh, my coworker just texted me. I wonder if he saw me.
Cliff said, "Was that you?"
Oh,
Want to reply?
Yeah, that was me. I could not have asked for a better. Oh my gosh. My coworker heard me go by and texted me. That was like 10 minutes ago, but he just texted me. He was like, "Was that you?" Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot have planned that any better. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. I can come back.
Your message to Cliff says, "I can come back." Ready? I'll send your message.
It's Ryan from MET.
Cliff said, "I got time, come on by."
Oh my.
Want to reply? Go ahead.
Alright, I'll be right there. Give me like 5 minutes. I'm heading back there, so it'll be a good time, and I can't wait. This day just got really exciting. Alright, I'm gonna switch out my battery. This one's on 1 bar, so I'll probably turn the camera back on when I get to his place, and then we're gonna let it rip again, I guess. Alright, here we go. Extra downforce. Coworker bonding. Alright, I want to put your seatbelt like real quick because we're about to hit this. Alright, hold on.
It goes. Damn, Jim.
Turn signals. Street legal. Gotta be legal. Coworker bonding. Okay, so that went pretty well. Definitely fun. Haven't taken anyone for a ride in a while, actually. I mean, I took my boss for a ride to church, but we didn't like go on a cruise and like step on it. We only hit it once, but not too hard. But that was definitely fun, and yeah, made my day. She's still recording. All right, we are on the way home now again. So that was fun, and A-okay, nobody's following behind us. So we're all good, and thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and until the next time, God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. See ya. All right, J-Rock, I'm not gonna forget to put the top on, so there you go. 1, 2, 3, good to go. Don't forget to put the windows up. Don't be a noob. 1, 2. See you later. After a long day in Mexico, just want to get naked.